Good morning, Tehmina Khan is here in TKMaths is Fun. In today's video, we will solve a question on quadratic. It is known by three different names. Some people say solving more complex quadratic equation. Sometimes it is disguised form of quadratic equation or equation reducible to quadratic. So how do we handle this type of question? I have taken three examples here. So let's see. If one video will be longer, I'll divide it into parts. So let's start this one. In this type of question, first of all, you need to understand one thing, how you will identify it is a disguised form of quadratic or not. The very important thing is the variables which are given. For example, if you see this variable and this variable, the power should have a ratio of 1:2. So for example, if I see this one, if I keep 1/3 here and 2 outside, and this one is 1/3, right? So this has power 1 and this has power 2. So this is double of this. So it always have such relation. For example, it may have x power 4, another will x power 2, or maybe x power half and x power 1. So this is first thing you have to identify, that it is a case of disguised form of the quadratic equation. And then the best way is to solve it is that you take substitution part here, as a substitution. Without it also it can be solved, but it's not easy for everybody to handle that form. Otherwise method remains the same. So let's take, okay, t. My name starts with Tehmina T, so I'm taking t. Let t is equals to x power 1/3. Always the smallest power you will take as a substitution. Then t square will be x power 2/3. So now if I see this equation will become what? See here. This step I am doing just extra to explain to everyone. Otherwise this step is not required. Okay. So now it will be t square minus 2t minus 15. Now it is a simple quadratic equation which everyone can solve. So if I factorize, because it is considered as a year 13 topic, so I'm not showing the middle term breakup. You can use calculator and make the factors. So I'm making factors here. So factor is t minus 5 and t plus 3. Because when you will use a calculator to find out the roots of this equation, it will give you t equals to 5 and minus 3. So of course when you will make factors, it will become t minus 5 and t plus 3, right? So your values are t equals to 5 and t equals to minus 3. After this step from the calculator, please do not write it directly. Do show these factors first. Okay. Now, our target is to find the value of x, because question is saying solve and it has a variable x. Sometimes the student stop here and lose marks. So now I will take one time with t equals to 5, another time t equals to minus 3, and the substitution I have taken here. So what was it? X power 1/3, right? Now how you will solve this? Any idea? Simply, if I multiply both sides by the power of 3, then the question will be solved, because you can apply the same operation on both sides. So it will be 3 into 1/3 and equals to minus 3. Please put bracket so that confusion can be avoided. So now this will cancel out and x is equals to 5 power 3 is equals to 125. And in this case, x is equals to minus 27. So these are your two answers of solving this disguised case. So now I will solve the other equation, but I will make another video and I will put the link in the description below. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe button. Do press these buttons and share it with your friends. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.